Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can try to fix the issue with incoming calls not showing on the screen on OPPO A60. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings we want to go to apps and then go to app management. First tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then choose show system in order to see more apps over here. Now the first thing that we need to do is search for call management. And then go inside this app. We need to force stop it. There we go. And over here we can go to storage usage and we can clear cache and clear data. Then confirm. There we go. After that, we can go back. This time we want to search for phone. And we want to select the phone app. We want to force stop it as well. Then go one more time to storage usage, clear cache, and clear data, and confirm. Go back, and this time choose phone services, and do the same thing. Force stop, go to storage usage, clear cache, and clear data. And this is pretty much everything in these settings. However, there is one more thing that we can do if all of these do not help. If this doesn't work for you, then we can go back, and this time we want to scroll down and go to additional settings. Scroll down one more time, go to backup and reset phone, and then over here choose reset all settings. You want to go here, use your password, and then confirm the action. By doing so, you will need to enter the password to your Wi-Fi. You will need to connect to Bluetooth devices one more time, as everything will be reset to default settings. So keep that in mind. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.